My name is Ericson-Taylor, and after my stroke I never thought I'd be able to garden again, but being able to use adaptive tools and equipment, I'm able to get back into gardening, something that I love. I love to garden because I love to use vegetables that I've grown to make something that I love to do, love to cook. So I love eating the vegetables because it's healthy and it keeps me intact with what I'm growing. We use gardening soil, we use light fertilizer. We don't put any chemicals in our garden at all. I have a raised bed up on my deck that I'm able to roll out from my house. It's so much easier. I don't have to put strain on my body. I can just pull right up to it and I'm able to use the raised beds. I also have a couple of raised pots that I use also, so that also helps me. It's grown with love. What I grow in my raised beds on my deck are kale, sweet peas. I did that first, and then I put in my herbs. I did my basil, my cilantro, my parsley. Down on my raised pots I put tomatoes, I put lavender. I also have a ramp that leads from my deck down to the lower gardens that have 2 raised beds. And then once I'm down there, I'm able to sit on my rolled garden cart that I sit on so that I can pull myself around and do my gardening. I can plant, I can pick my vegetables on this cart, and it's great. Another tip I've learned is buying seed tape. A lot of times with my left side being affected, it's hard for me to get the right amount of seed into the ground. So they have a seed tape that you put down, you cover it a little bit with dirt, and then you water it. This is the radish seed tape that I used today to plant in the lower beds. One of the great things that I've bought to help me garden has a grip on it, so it's a pruner that you put your hand in, you can open it up, very easy to open up, and this way it has a grip on it, so when you're cutting, you know, it's a spring, so it's easier to cut. Also, I found very helpful in the garden for me is a reacher grabber tool that I have to use. It helps me with, especially my tomatoes that I can't reach. And it has rubber ends on it so that it doesn't squish the vegetable. And then I also have my magical wand here that helps, because if I can't reach something, it goes onto the hose and it turns on and off, so you don't have to worry about going to the hose itself and turning it off. So you have it on and off so that if you have to go far away, you don't want to push very hard to get you want a nice sprinkle. So this is great also. And then I have my rake here that I use mostly for the seaweed that we pick. So what we do at the end of the summer season is we go down to our local beach and we rake up the seaweed and we put it in our garden in the spring and the fall so that it gives nutrients to the garden. So the next time it grows, all the nutrients are there and the seaweed gets turned over in the bed. So this helps really great too. Even if I want to use it to turn the soil over, it's very helpful. And remember, you can garden every season. Matter of fact, we have pumpkins growing in our garden outside our fence because they're sugar pumpkins. And those use the sugar pumpkins for cooking. Matter of fact, you can make pumpkin pie, and you could do pumpkin chili that we make. Remember, to grow something you love and healthy. Like today, the basil we use to make pesto. You could grow it in your raised bed, or you grow it in a pot above your kitchen sink. Another tip that I use is that get connected with your local garden shop because they will help you to get adaptive gardening tools. Because believe it or not, most of them have them, they just don't realize what they can be used for. With working with Country Gardens, they've also set up a table or section in their store to help you with finding your adaptive tools. So ask them, and what they do is they put little stickers on them so that people know that they're adaptive garden tools. So in conclusion, there's many things that you could use to continue gardening after a stroke. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to your garden shop and they can help you get adaptive tools. Make sure you get raised beds. So if you found this helpful, subscribe to this channel and continue to grow. No matter where you are in your recovery, there's always a way to keep growing.